DM stock analysis and price prediction. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments on my exact play. With desktop metal stock, we're sitting at $5.12, 9.30% up for the day. I myself personally, and this is my first time analyzing this, so I've made 24,000 stock analysis videos and spent thousands of dollars on trading education over the last 4 years. The strategy that I'm using here has delivered thousands of wins of correct predictions in 2023, 2024. And by the way, I've documented everything. So with DM, first things first, just zoom out and observe the chart. This is a very consistent bearish trend since 4 years ago. And yeah, just observing the trend right now, for me to be anything bullish or whatever, the price needs to start breaking with full candle closes above some certain highs here. That's daily chart, you know, that's daily chart range. And let me mark out the lows. Now go to the 2 hour. And honestly, man, like this price section, I don't like it personally, because, you know, it's not moving that much. I mean, it definitely is moving, but unless the price starts breaking, you know, double times beneath lows here, then the last thing that I'm going to do is be bearish, you know. So only if it starts going down, then I'll be bearish. Anything else, just keep an eye. So if you want to learn the strategy that's previously given thousands of correct predictions for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars.